Hey everybody, Larry Callahan from ProTouring.com with an update on the ProTouring.com garage/studio. It's kind of a big day for us. Today we're going to be pouring concrete. So we're putting a BendPak lift in the garage. They're extra tall 10,000 pound lift. And today's the day. So soon, 30 days or so, we're going to be able to pick that up, as well as the Camaro and my truck and my wife's Mini Cooper and whatever else. So we're going to hopefully do some studio like YouTube-y kind of stuff in here. So here, let's do a little walk around the garage and show you some updates on it. All right, so we are inside of the ProTouring.com garage/YouTube studio. It's well lit with dimmable LED lights from Prime Lights, and it's all insulated, including the ceiling. We are ready to go. Close the door so we can get kind of a better feel of the workspace. All the outlets and all the power in the garage is run off of a nice sub panel, so I have easy control of everything. We've got a recessed TV mount, so we'll put a big LED flat screen over there. Sink is in. And stay tuned here in a few minutes. We're going to start cutting holes for our extra tall 10,000 pound asymmetric BendPak lift, model XPR-10AXLS. How's it going? Long day.
Long day.
Well, that's a wrap. It's the next morning and it's starting to cure. Everybody's gone. The guys over at Master Autolift did a good job yesterday. They were busy all day and the noise never stopped, so I wasn't able to do as much commentary as I had hoped to, but you'll notice that I put some text in some key areas. So pads are done, they're curing. We're gonna sprinkle a little water on them here later today and watch for us in about a month. You're supposed to give it 28 days to cure. We're gonna give it a little bit more than that, and then maybe a few days before Christmas. We'll be back with another video of us installing our BendPak 10,000 pound asymmetrical extra tall lift. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe. Bye.